people, welcome back to Princess and Mom channel. How you guys doing? If you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to Princess and Mom channel, what are you still waiting for? Kindly do go and subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you see this video, if you like the video, share it, and if you have anything to say about the video, drop it at the comment section below. So I say, let me make this lovely and delicious beans for my husband and my kings. So I just want to go through easing process, quick and easy, yes, because I don't want to go through the process of frying onions, frying pepper, no. So I just want to make it an easy way. I said, let me wash my beans. So I have to wash it for like 3 times. Pour inside the hot water on the gas. Then I have to leave it for some minutes to cook. Add onions to make it soft. So after that, I have to put my fresh pepper, put my salt, my maggi, and crayfish and my onions, yes. So and oil that I just have to go through easing process. I don't want to go through the process of frying. Okay, my people, let me just leave you to watch this video to the end. And if you want to see how quick and easy I make this delicious beans, so you just have to sit and watch this video to the end. See you guys later. Bye. I said, let me add this dry fish because I'm tired of eating fish. So I just have to add like one onion. I just have to piece it and remove the back because of my kings. Then put them inside the beans to bring out the scent. Oh my god. Okay, my people, thank you so much. I so much love you guys. Thank you. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, kindly do go and subscribe. Also like the video and share. Thank you. See you guys later. through with my easy and quick beans and fried plantain. I said, let me do some for myself because I'm hungry. Life of a mother is not easy. Okay, my people, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.